Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. We're here looking ratchet for day 2. These aren't like crazy amazing FX like looks. This is just like, you know, little festive easy looks. Alright, so I'm going to try to get straight to the point. Today's look, I'm going for like a cute, simple clown makeup. I definitely want to do an it makeup look. I'm just not ready to do that look today. Let's get into this look. Very easy, affordable products. Simple, not too crazy, you know, just keep on watching. I wish I could stop eating for like the sake of this video, but I cannot. So one of the key products that I'm using in today's video is actually not a product. It's not even like a makeup thing. It's just this green glitter I found. But I really want to use it on my face. So it might not be safe or like approved by, you know, the people that approve makeup, but I'm going for it. Okay, what if I did like a burgundy brow? This is not a lip liner, by the way. This is an eyeliner by Believe Beauty. You guys know the whole spiel with concealing brows, so. Little kind of blush. Cheekbone is still not as dramatic as I want, so I'm doing something really. I think I'm gonna bring it back to that burgundy shade. I'm gonna do a little portion of my face that goes beyond. Got this. You guys remember my full review on this baby over here? If not, it's pretty recent. I'll link it below. Mine is actually running out, so this doesn't really do it justice. But I don't know why, but I really want to use this matte blue color from my Koki palette. So I'm going to do a little above the eye action. Alright, glitter time. To get the glitter to really stick on there, I'm just dabbing some gloss on this area where I want the glitter. Vibe going on here. Tonight's mess. I hope you got some type of enjoyment or entertainment out of this. Hope to see you guys then. Bye bye.